Alrighty, we're going to start this project. It's about 8:10 in the evening, Sunday night. Temperature's finally cooling off. It's around 80 degrees out here. It was a little too warm to do this earlier, so I started this out by, we're going to rip the front of the car off. Drill the headlights, all the surrounds, all that good stuff. And we're going to replace it with my new header panel, which I got on the table back behind me here. So I rolled the car in. She's not going to move from this position until everything's back together. Hit the headlights, and I marked with blue tape where they were hitting on the garage door, so that gives me a rough reference point. Unfortunately, my high beam switch is not working on this thing right now. It was last year. I don't know why it's not this year, but so I can't actually hit the high beams, so we'll just kind of wing that for now. So the reason we're doing this is to kind of fix this issue. It's cracked, it's busted, cracked, cracked. This header piece is pretty much garbage. Let me go grab the replacement piece, just kind of show you what we're going after here. You can kind of see, I'm going to flip the screen over so we can make sure you're in the shot and everything. You can kind of see how this piece kind of fits in there. So we're going to swap that out. This one's good. I think it had I got one crack here. And both of the ends are cracked, but we might be able to fix them up a little bit. We'll clean that too before we put it on. So we're going to tackle stripping the front of this Cadillac down. Got 1 week until the ramp and show. So essentially I got 6 days to build this, to fix this thing up. I want to start this now. Try to get this done tonight, maybe into tomorrow before work. So when I'm off Thursday, Friday, Saturday, those are going to be days spent cleaning or finishing up any repairs. So let's get to work. Let me get this shoe started. Alright, we were doing a little bit of a time lapse, but the battery died, so I just continued on looking. Let's see if we got it. There's still something. Touch it. Washers and spacers and everything going all right. Bust that apart. Oh, I forgot this one's the temperature. That's part of it. Pieces. Tearing my pants again. And pliers. Let me get some pliers. Back with some pliers. So it needs to remove that, whatever it is. So it just channels air or something, so. Right size? Is that the right size? Of course not, it's too big. I don't just want to be around here for that, do I? Might work. The right size, but we'll go easy on her. Free. There we are. Beautiful, huh? Very lovely. Alright, so now I gotta go through and I gotta get the trim piece off here. I gotta get my headlight buckets because I didn't get any of those. They charge extra. That should be about it off of these. Retainers for the headlights and whatnot, the springs and all that, so we'll be stripping those down tonight. I was thinking about putting that other piece back on, but I want to clean it up a little bit first. Get her looking real nice. And then, yeah, tomorrow maybe we'll sneak out here early and get her buttoned up a little bit more. Bumper's a little bit tweaked. I can see where somebody bumped it and they pushed it in a little, so I cracked my filler piece here a little bit. One of the good ones. Can hardly tell though. Clean up around in here. Everything else looks pretty good. Everything else looks pretty good. Dirty, 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 dirty. Alright, let's go ahead and end you guys here. I'm just going to go clean this up. Light's failing, so No spectacular sunset tonight, but thanks for following along. Yeah, I'll probably do this up as a separate video. We'll do tomorrow's as a different one. So we'll catch you all in the next one.